Who sent us, wa? Kirubiko, let's go.
Wait.
Tell me who sent you. Else, I will unleash my anger on you both.
Hey, no one sent us. It's just that we saw you struggling to carry the babies and the gallon. I decided to turn back and help you. Wait.
Who are you?
Please, just calm down, oh. We are not enemies. We are friends. We just want to help you. Nobody sent us. Let's help you with the gallon.
Oh yeah, see what will happen. Let's just help you with the gallon. The time we spent here explaining ourselves is enough to reach your destination. Oh, Biko.